The next type of DeFi platform I want to cover is decentralized exchanges. You can clearly say, you can say that all the trading, it is happening on, again, a peer-to-peer level, and we don't need a centralized institution to run the whole trading experience. Tokens, the buyer can send the tokens to the seller can receive the other token from the buyer after selling his token. So the two tokens can be swapped between two peers, and this way the whole trading experience can be maintained. Now this is a decentralized exchange. So decentralized exchange is just a cryptocurrency exchange that is running on a blockchain. So every trade that is occurring on this exchange is actually two transactions. The amount that is going from buyer to seller, and the second cryptocurrency that is going from seller to buyer. For example, I want to execute a trade of BTC USDT. Let's say I want to give $1,000 and I want BTC in exchange. So I will put an order. My 1,000 USDT will go to the seller of Bitcoin, and I will receive Bitcoin from the seller directly. Now these two transactions, they will also be recorded on the blockchain. A subset of DEXs is called automated market makers. Automated market makers are easily one of the most impactful and revolutionary innovations or platforms in the DeFi space. There are no order books, there are no buy and sell orders, there is nothing. These automated market makers, there is a simple mechanism like swapping. And what is unique about these automated market makers is, see it like this: we will not need the buyer and seller to buy and sell the cryptocurrency at the exact same time. What we will do is we will maintain a liquidity pool. Now who can participate in this liquidity pool? Again, anybody. These liquidity pool can be used to maintain the market or can work as a market maker. Let's say there is a swap we want to do between token A and token B. I'm using the example of Uniswap because Uniswap is the most popular DEX right now in the world. Now anybody can deposit token A and token B into this pool. The dollar value of token A and token B needs to be same. The amount can be different, the dollar value needs to be same. Here you can clearly see there is a trader and there is a liquidity provider. It is a very frequently used term in the DeFi space now. It is called liquidity providers. So liquidity providers are people that deposit money or funds into these liquidity pools. Why they deposit? It's simple. They earn passive income, or they earn yields on depositing money into these liquidity pools. I will explain this model in two separate steps. Let's first understand these liquidity providers. Liquidity providers provide liquidity. They will deposit both tokens, token A and token B, into the liquidity pool. In case they deposit only token A, their token A will be converted to token B at the market price, and it will be deposited in the liquidity pool. Now you can clearly see the reserve has both token A and token B. Now what will liquidity providers get in return? Very simple. They will earn interest. They will earn yields. Now where does this yield come from? We will talk, but we can clearly see this yield is acting as an incentivization mechanism for the liquidity providers to put money into this liquidity pools and earn passive income. You can see at every step of these DeFi platforms, there are so many opportunities to earn passive income. Now let's go to the other side. Now this is the trader. He wants to swap his one token for the other token. In a very simple language, what will happen? Token A will go into the liquidity pool. Token B will come out of the liquidity pool and it will go to the trader. On the trader side, that's his only experience. He gives one token, he gets one token. But right now, he's not getting this token from another seller. He's getting this token from the pool that is being maintained on the Uniswap platform. Now, see this here. Right now, when the pool was starting, let's say there were 1200 A tokens and there were 400 B tokens. Now, this was the state when the pool started. 1200 by 1400 was 3. Now, when the pool has ended, that means when this swapping has happened, pool has 1200 3.3 token A and 399 token B. To execute this trade, the trader was charged a 0.03% fee. Now this is the fee which contributes in providing yield to the liquidity providers. Again, like I mentioned, these are two transactions. One, token A going from trader to the Uniswap pool. This is also a wallet. or a smart contract. Token A is going from trader's wallet, Uniswap's wallet, and token B is going from Uniswap's wallet to trader wallet. Here again, he's not interacting with other trader, he's interacting with this liquidity pool. In the reserve, the value of token A and token B needs to be same. Now you can clearly see if the supply of token A is increasing in the pool and the supply of B is decreasing, it's clear that the value of token A will go down, the value of token B will go up. It is very much in compliance with what is happening in the centralized exchanges also. If the sellers are selling a cryptocurrency, its value go down. Why? Because people are ready to pay lesser amount to buy. If there is a huge amount of buying in the cryptocurrency markets, the prices go up. It is very similar to what is happening in the centralized exchanges as well. This is a complete diagram that you can see here. Liquidity providers were providing tokens into the liquidity pool and they were earning a passive revenue. To provide liquidity, they have to provide both the tokens that are in the pool, and in return they are getting pool tokens as well. The traders, they're swapping their cryptocurrencies and they have to pay the fee. With the use of this fee, liquidity providers are earning passive yield or passive income. Let's go on Uniswap info. We can see all the currencies that are here, the prices, the volume. These are the liquidity pools that are very active in the Uniswap. If you click on any one, you can here see that right now what is the relative value, what is the volume, what is the 24-hour fees that is being generating. You can trade, you can add liquidity, you can do like anything you want. Again, to add liquidity, this is the platform how it looks like. You need to deposit equal amount of DAI and USDC into it. There will be a small fee to deposit because again it is also a transaction, and based on that, interest or the yield which you will be earning, that can be decided. You can click on trade button. That's how simple the interface of automated market makers is. It's simple swap. You click on DAI, you can click on Ethereum, you can click on any currency, and you can just swap these tokens with each other. That's how simple it is. I will go into the depth of what AMMs are, what liquidity providers are, what yield farming is, everything in the next video. Right now, we only need to understand how they are working as of now, right? And I think we have understood the basic definition.